students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Mathematic Workbook Standard 3rd. Now all of you open the page number 193. In the previous video we have completed main 7. Today we'll see main 8. Solve the following problems. So first of all read the question. One jug lemonade is made from 6 glasses of water. ओके वन जग जो है वो लेमनेड का वो 6 ग्लासेस ऑफ वाटर से बना है. ओके हाउ मेनी ग्लासेस ऑफ वाटर आर नीडेड टू मेक सच 3 जग्स ऑफ लेमनेड. सी हियर वन जग के लिए 3 ग्लासेस ऑफ वाटर चाहिए, तो 3 जग्स के लिए हाउ मेनी ग्लासेस वी नीड. सो write down here, one jug lemonade is made from 6 glasses of water. Therefore, 3 jugs of lemonade is made from how many glasses of water? Now do the cross multiplication. 3 multiplied by 6 upon 1. 3 multiplied by 6. 3 6 are 18 and 18 yeah. जो glasses of water, 18 glasses of water. How many glasses of water are needed to make 3 jugs of lemonade? So, answer is 18 glasses of water are needed to make such 3 jugs of lemonade. Now see the second question. Read it. One packet contains 3 liter orange juice. Now see, one packet के अंदर 3 liter orange juices है. Okay, how many glass of 500 ml can be filled out of it? See here, 3 liter में से आपको 500 ml का ग्लास फिलअप करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, दिस 3 liter you have to convert into milliliter. So 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter. Okay, 3 multiplied by 1000. So 3000 milliliter. This one conversion is given. Now 500 ml juice filled in 1 glass. Here it's a given that how many glasses of 500 ml, जो एक ग्लास है वो 500 ml का है, तो 500 ml juice filled in 1 glasses. Therefore 3000 ml juice filled in how much glasses? How many glasses? 3000 multiplied by 1 upon this is 500, this 0 cancel. Okay, and it's a remaining 30 upon 5. Now 5 1 के टेबल में 30 कब आता है, तो 5 6 are 30. So your answer is a 6 glasses. How many glasses of 500 ml can be filled out? तो आंसर है 6 glasses can be filled. Now see the third question. Third one bottle had 5 liters of water. See here, one bottle है, उसके अंदर 5 liters of water है, 5 liter water है. Mahesh drank half of water from it during the day. One bottle के अंदर से महेश ने half तो drink कर लिया. How much water remains in the bottle now? Now see, 5 लीटर का हम पहले तो मिलीलीटर में कन्वर्ट करते, तो 5 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 5000 ml. नाउ हाफ महेश ने ड्रिंक किया हाफ ऑफ वाटर. ओके, सो हाफ ऑफ 5000 ml इज इक्वल टू 5000 अपॉन 2. उससे हमें क्या मिलेगा, हाफ ऑफ 5000. सो 2500, हम 2 से 2500 मल्टीप्लाई करें, देन वी गेट द 5000. ओके, सो दिस 2500 ml जो है वो हमारा आंसर है. नाउ वी नीड आंसर इन अ लीटर. सो नाउ 2500 ml वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू लीटर. 2000 ml प्लस दिस 500 ml इज इक्वल टू 2000 ml का हमें लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो सो 2 लीटर प्लस 500 milliliter. नाउ दिस दोनों को हमें एक लीटर में करना है, तो 2.5 liters. ओके, सो योर आंसर इज 2.5 liters water remains in the bottle. Now see the fourth question. One kettle had 500 ml of tea. Kettle means जो चाय की किटली आती है वो। 1 केटल के अंदर 500 ml ऑफ टी इज देयर। संजय ड्रैंक 300 ml टी फ्रॉम इट। 500 में से संजय ने ड्रैंक किए 300 ml टी। हाउ मच टी इज लेफ्ट इन द केटल? इट्स वेरी इजी। 1 kettle had 500 ml of tea. संजय drank 300 ml of tea. यहाँ पे आपको माइनस करना है, लेफ्ट पूछा है तो क्वेश्चन में ही बताया कि लेफ्ट है तो माइनस करना है। सो 500 minus 300, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 3 it's a 2, 200 ml of tea. So answer है 200 ml of tea is left in the kettle. Now turn your page number 194. Now see the fifth one. 1 bucket is filled by 5 mugs of water. 1 bucket है वो 5 mug से filled हुआ है water. Okay. How many buckets can be filled by 15 such mugs? Okay. So write down here 5 mugs of water filled in a 1 bucket. Therefore, 15 mugs of water filled in how many bucket? So 15 multiplied by 1 upon this is 5. Now see 5 के टेबल में 15 कब आता है तो 5 3s are 15. So here it's a 3 1s are 3. So answer है 3 buckets. So how many buckets पूछा है आपको तो answer is a 3 buckets can be filled by 15 such mugs of water. Now see the sixth question. How many times does the measuring vessel of 200 ml? How many times पूछा है कि 200 ml measuring vessels को आपको 200 ml needed to be poured with the milk to fill a 2 liter bowl. Okay, 2 liter करने के लिए आपको 200 ml कितनी टाइम्स लेना है? How many times? So first of all 2 liters को आपको कन्वर्ट करना है ml में, मिलीलीटर में. 2 liter is equal to 2000 milliliter. Therefore, number of measuring vessels you have to of 200 ml is equal to 2000 ml divided by 200. Okay. So this way also you can able to write out. So it's the easiest way. 2000 upon 200. ये से भी आप लिख सकते हो. Now see this 0 cancel. Now it's remaining 20 upon 2. Now 2 के टेबल में 20 कब आता है तो 2 10s are 20. Now it's remaining 10 and आपको पूछा है कि how many times? So 10 times. So answer is 10 times of measuring vessels of 200 ml is needed. Now see the MCQs. Choose the correct alternative for each questions and write its order alphabet in a box. Now first of all I will tell to you that यहाँ पे आपको रफ वर्क चाहिए तो आपको ऑब्वियसली यू हैव टू डू द रफ वर्क. नाउ सी द फर्स्ट वन 535 ml plus 450 ml minus 165 ml. Here we need a rough work. So do it. See. First of all 535 ml plus 450 ml. So 535 ml plus 450 ml. ओके ये आपको ऐड करना है. हियर इट्स ml. 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 5 it's 8, 4 plus 5 it's 9. नाउ 985 ml जो है वो दोनों का आंसर है माइनस 165 ml. सो 985 ml माइनस दिस 165 ml आपको माइनस करना है. सी हियर 5 minus 5 it's 0, 8 minus 6 it's 2 and 9 minus 1 it's 8. So your answer is 820 ml. Now see that in which options 820 is given. So in the option A 820 ml is your answer. So in the box you have to write down option A and here 820 ml. Now see the second question. 350 ml multiplied by 2. So here also we need a rough work. So see it. 350 ml multiply by this 2. Now see the multiplication. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fives are 10, 0 here carry 1, 2 threes are 6, 6 plus 1 it's a 7. So answer is a 700 ml. Now see in which option 700 is there. So 700 ml is there in option A. So in the box you have to write down A and answer है 700 ml. Now see the third one. There are blanks milliliters in 6 liters and 200 milliliters. Here also we need a rough work. Say here 6 liters and 200 milliliters. 6 liters and 200 milliliters. Now here we have to convert this 6 liters into milliliter. So 6 multiply by 1000 and bracket में आपको ये लिखना है और bracket के बाहर here we have converted. So ml plus this 200 ml milliliter. Now 6 multiply by 1000. So 6000 milliliter plus 200 milliliter. So your answer is 6200 milliliter. Okay, 6200 milliliter. एंड आपको पूछा है मिलीलीटर्स में. देयर आर 6200 मिलीलीटर. रफ वर्क में आपका आंसर आया 6200 मिलीलीटर्स in 6 liters and 200 milliliters. Option B. So write down B in a box. Now see the fourth question. The standard unit of measuring the capacity of a container. कंटेनर मीन्स कंटेनर में लिक्विड ही हो सकता है. ओके, सो कंटेनर में मेजर करना हो तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ यूनिट जो आता है वो लीटर्स. ओके, लीटर और मिलीलीटर. तो यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन में लीटर्स दिया है. ऑप्शन बी लीटर इज योर आंसर. राइट डाउन बी इन द बॉक्स. नाउ सी द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. टू पेंट अ रूम. अब रूम को पेंट करना है. 650 ml of green paint, okay, and 275 ml of yellow paint was required. 650 ml of green paint and 275 ml of yellow paint was required. How much quantity of paint was required to paint the room? तो total quantity कितनी होगी? तो we have to do additions of 650 ml plus 275 ml. Say here 650 ml plus 275 ml. Here you have to do the addition. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, it's 12. 2 here carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2, it's 9. So answer is 925 ml. तो 925 ml जो है वो ऑप्शन डी में है. तो ऑप्शन डी इज योर राइट आंसर 925 ml. So write down in the box option D and here your chapter is completed. So we will see in the next video our next chapter. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.